Hi, I am Damini Grover, a counseling psychologist, life coach, and the author of The Intentional Being. We all talk about relationships all the time. We want to be in relationships. पर कभी सोचा है कि ये relationships हमारी लाइफ में इतने important क्यों हैं? Why should we be in relationships? Why should we nurture them? Why should we care for them? Is it something that we just have to do because we are told? That let's say we should take care of our parents because that's the right thing to do, or we should get married once we reach a certain age, or what are we doing with the relationships in our lives except for treating them or looking at them as something that is supposed to be done, supposed to be gotten into, linking them to just milestones? Being in relationships, nurturing them, caring for them is not about just achieving milestones. The fact is that as biological beings, just like we have certain basic requirements like food, water, sex, shelter, we are also emotional beings. We are all wired for connection. It is our need to connect with someone at a physical, emotional, intellectual level. Connection with another, whether it's family, friends, partners, kids, that connection has survival value because we cannot exist in isolation. And sadly, हम में से ऐसे कितने ही लोग हैं जो relationships को इस depth से समझ ही नहीं पाते. Ultimately, being in relationships is nothing more than just achieving a milestone or doing something because everybody else is doing so. Just because my friends are in a relationship, I should be in one. Just because parents ने बोल दिया, so I should get married. We rarely stop and ask ourselves, what do we expect from our relationships? What do we want our relationships with each of the people in our lives to look like? What emotional needs, what wants do we want our relationships to fulfill for us? And many of us are not even aware of what we need, what we want. हम हमेशा क्वेश्चन ही करते रह जाते हैं. Am I asking for too much? Am I expecting too much? Am I being unreasonable? And before we come to some realization, so many years have passed. And then we wonder, what happened to the last 10 years? What happened to the last 5 years? And that's only because हम relationships को कभी as an extension of us देख ही नहीं पाते. हम सिर्फ उसे एक societal, intellectual level तक ही देखते रह जाते हैं. So therefore, it's important for us to understand that what are our core needs and how do we want to fulfill them? Who do we think can fulfill them? When do we want to fulfill them? Just because somebody is telling us to do something doesn't mean that we also want to do that. We must understand what our own needs and aspirations from a relationship are. We all want security, we want safety, we need to be able to grow in our relationships. We all want to be loved, we want to be cared for, we want to be understood. And you know what? These are not unrealistic expectations. They are very human expectations. And if we are too busy questioning ourselves for our own needs and wants, we will never be able to get those fulfilling relationships that we truly deserve. So to understand what a relationship means to you, you have to first understand what do you need from your relationships? What do you want your relationships to look like? And it's only then that you would be able to move towards that fulfilling relationship in your life. And most importantly, किसी और के साथ एक अच्छा relationship establish करने से पहले, it's important to become intentional with your own self. We cannot have a sound relationship with anyone else unless we have one with ourselves. We cannot love someone fully if we cannot love ourselves and learn to be in a relationship with ourselves. It may sound fancy, but it is true. It is one of the fundamental truths of life. We can't support someone else if we don't know how to support ourselves. And to support ourselves, we need to understand who we are, how we stand with respect to ourselves and the world around us. And it's only then we would be able to manifest those people who truly, genuinely would be willing to invest in us. And these lines that I have just read for you are from my book, The Intentional Being, which has been read by thousands of people, loved by them. This book has the potential to impact lives, and it is doing so. So maybe it's time for you to grab your copy. It's available on Amazon.